Ayan din. So it's your first time hosting GMA Gala.
It's my first time hosting the live stream of GMA Gala and it was a wonderful experience. Actually, kinakabahan ako kanina, but when you're with a good host as well, it just happens naturally.
Ayan. So ano yung nilook forward ko sa GMA Gala?
Looking forward to meet everyone because it has been a while since I went to an event like this. Yes, has been. And ang daming mga personalities na familiar sa TV and nakikita mo na in person. Yeah.
Nakikita ko sa comments, excited sila sa Team Bardagulan.
I know! I heard Pukarat, QD, Perlas, they're all here. So I'm excited to see them for the first time.
Ano yung, your friendship started online? So,
Yes.
Paano yung dynamics niyo?
It was very random. Parang with with social media naman, you cannot really predict who you can meet. Parang one time, nag-invite na lang sila, tapos nag-live kami together, and it just happened naturally.
Ayan. So, when it comes to ganyang friendships, meron ka mga worries?
Syempre, in all friendships naman, you always worry na first time you mag-meet, kailangan magkakapaan pa kayo. But at the same time, you just have to be yourself. You don't have to force anything.
Ayan, so 2024 is also a big year for you. This is the time, this is the year that you mentioned you're a parent.
Yes.
So experience as a dad.
Experience as a dad is life-changing and difficult but rewarding, I would say. And it's the year na I would say I would treasure forever.
In what way is it difficult?
It's difficult because it's a total change of lifestyle. Lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo, ibang-iba na. But rewarding at the same time because since bago mo siya na-experience, iba rin naman talagang makukuha mong reward in return.
As early as now, nakikita mo na ba yung sarili mo as a strict
Na-feel ko na. Kahit as much as possible, I wanted to be BFFs with my son. I also want to balance both, authoritative and being a friend as well.
Last question, your message to single dads.
Message to single dads is don't pressure yourself too much. Kasi maraming times na feeling mo, sana hindi ganito, sana hindi ganyan. But this is a journey. So journeys naman hindi na predict. So, kaya mo yan.